Hello everyone, welcome to this YouTube video, and today I'm going to be fixing up this old air compressor. So basically what I'm going to do, I drew up plans just to put this into a box, then we'll have a switch that's connected to the compressor. So right now I just have these measurements right here, and I just drew out a little cube. Yeah, I'll just have to cut that out, put this compressor inside, wire it, then we'll have an air compressor. Now I'll show you the wiring. Okay, now that I discussed the compressor, I'm going to show you how I wired it. So right here, this white wire, this is our feed wire, which will go into here. And you can still see the white wire right in here on this single pole switch, which will connect to this blue wire. And then from here, we have these two wires. This red wire is connected to the neutral, the feed, and this blue wire is the hot wire, which goes all the way up here down to this capacitor. It doesn't matter which terminal you have it on. And from this capacitor, it goes all the way up here and onto our compressor right there. And then the red, simple, it's just our neutral. And the white wire, that just comes from our capacitor up to here. So, nothing too fancy. I wired it so it plugs into a 120 outlet. So now, I cut out the top and the bottom piece of wood. Now I just need to put these on and make a hole for the electrical box. It's the compressor without any paint, so this is pretty much done. We have the hose right here where the compressed air comes out. Then we have the switch. I just want to get a new plate for it because I had to cut it right here on the old one. Then we got the power cord up to here. Here we go. Now I'm just going to let it build up. Putting my finger over it. It's pretty quiet. Let's let it go. And then turn it off. Yep. Unplug it. Yeah. Alright, so now I've finished painting the air compressor. I bought a new switch and I bought a new faceplate. That came out pretty nice. Now I have it plugged in. And I'll just show you the rest of it. Just green all around. Green here. Nothing too special. Now I have the hose connected up to this pressure gauge. Now we'll turn it on. Here, go up. We'll go up to 100 psi. This builds up pretty quick. Already at 40. Alright, now we'll turn it off. As you can see, 100. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.